you most of the time that you're going to subtract? Take about 20 more seconds. Share it. When you get to that one, I'll ask you to share it. 5 more seconds. Anyone still writing? Alright. Kavion came up with a really good word that tells us we're going to multiply. What was it, Kavion? Double. Double means multiply by 2. Can anyone else think of any words that tell us we're going to multiply? Anyone else come up with them? Aaliyah? Okay, times. Any other ones, Daniel? Triple. Triple means times 3. Jason? What? It's okay. Estimate doesn't always mean multiply, but we did practice that skill yesterday. Here are the rest of them. Are you ready?
Yes.
Times, product, factors. Then I have twice and double. That means times 2. Or triple is times 3. Hang on. Check it. And by. There are 5 of them. Yes, Tavia. Put a tally on your paper. Okay. Times, product, factors, twice and double, and by means to multiply. Those are the ones we're going to be working with today. Take about 10 more seconds. Times, product, factors, twice and double, and by. All mean to multiply. Did anyone think of any words that need to divide? Other than the one I told you? Any other thoughts? Kavion? Okay, you're splitting it up equally, right? You're splitting it into groups. Dina? Okay, each. There are lots on this one too. It's okay. This is the last thing you really, really, really have to write. Yep. Quotient. Dividend, divisor. Split / divide equally goes into, divided by, and each. If you can't see them, just do what the people on the carpet did and come up and sit down. Jerry, sit up. You got it. This will also be hanging up, so if you don't get all of them, that's okay. Just get what you can. Quotient, dividend, divisor, split / divided equally, goes into, divided by, and each. All of those words tell us we're going to divide. paper. Anyone not get a second piece of paper? I want you to take this piece of paper, put glue on it, and glue it right underneath of the one you already glued in your notebook. Right underneath. If you followed my direction, the direction earlier was to put the first one right underneath the title that you wrote. So there should be plenty of room. If there isn't room, just go onto the back and put it on the back. Okay? Glue it in. You have 30 seconds to glue it in. 10. 15. 20. 10 more seconds. 9. 8. 7. 6. You shouldn't be sharing glue. I asked you earlier. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. 0. Alright, it should be glued in. Your eyes should be on the board. Stay facing forward. Don't touch the glue. Alright. Your paper says cubes on it. And what cubes is, has anyone ever taught you this before? Have you ever heard of cubes?
Yeah.
No. Okay. That's okay. All I needed was a hand. Cubes is a strategy to use when you're solving word problems. So you glued it into your book, and I made a chart that's going to hang it up for us. But it gives you steps to help you solve a word problem. Because they can be really hard sometimes, right? Sometimes we don't know what they're saying, what they're asking us to do. The C in cube stands for circle the numbers. In your notebook, on your paper that's glued in there, I want you to circle the word circle. Circle the word circle like I did. So, the very first step is that you circle the numbers in the problem. We're going to practice this, but I want to go through the steps first. The first step is to circle the numbers. Who can read the second step? Tanya?
Underline the question.
Underline the question that it's asking you. Underline the word underline on your notes. Who can read the third one? Lamarion, please stop talking. The third one. No, I just want you to stop talking. Would you like to read? You can read it if you want to. No? Alright. Kenya?
Box the keywords.
Box the keywords. The keywords are the words that we wrote down on your chart. The first chart, those are the keywords, the math words that tell you what to do. So put a box around the word box. So, everybody with me, the first thing you do is circle the numbers. Say circle the numbers.
Circle the numbers.
Say underline the question.
Underline the question.
And say box the keywords.
Box the keyword.
Those are the first 3 steps. Who wants to read the 4th step? Nyasia, nice and loud for me. Evaluate.
Evaluate and choose an operation.
Good. Your notebook one says evaluate and choose an operation. That means you're deciding, you're looking at what it says, what you've underlined, what you've circled, and what it's asking you, and you're deciding, is it telling you to multiply, divide, add, or subtract? That's what that part is. Mine up here says evaluate and draw. You have to evaluate it, decide what you're supposed to do, and if it helps you, you can draw a little picture. If it helps you. If it doesn't help you, don't do it. Don't waste your time on it. But if it helps you, you can. Okay? The very last one. Who's got it for me? Come on, nice and loud.
Solve and
Solve and check. So then you solve the problem, and then you check your H.